Hi there, Rebels, and welcome back to Exploring the Evergreens. This week, we're adventuring through the travel niche. This niche is packed with exciting adventure. From personalized maps to destination-inspired apparel, the options are endless. So grab your passport and let's dive into some amazing print-on-demand inspiration and ideas. Let's go. When it comes to starting a print-on-demand business, evergreen niches can be your best friend. These niches are always in demand, consistently being searched for, and are constantly being bought for, especially now with the holiday season upon us. While trends and aesthetic designs may change, focusing on a specific sub-niche paired with a specific design aesthetic can really help you hone in on your ideal print-on-demand audience. Doing research paired with high-quality SEO keywords is really where you're going to find those best-selling items. So stick around as I walk through 10 print-on-demand products in the travel niche. Now you can find all of these products on Gelato, and if you're looking to get started with Gelato, I have a link to get 50% off your first sample order down below. Let's hop into those trending products. So for the travel niche, I have come up with 10 different print-on-demand product ideas that you can be offering to your travel niche audience. Again, really honing in on a specific design trend or sub-niche within the travel niche is how you're going to find your ideal target audience. But here are some ideas and inspiration to help you get started. Number 1, we have custom travel journals. Personalized notebooks with travel-themed covers may be maps, quotes, or scenic destinations for people to document their journeys. Now, these journals can be found on Gelato, and they are blank on the inside, so you would just be designing the cover pages. Up next, number 2, travel-themed wall art. Wall art is huge in the print-on-demand space, and I feel like it's almost an untapped gold mine. Now with Gelato, they're offering a huge variety of different wall art products, and now is the time to open the print-on-demand shop specifically for wall art. There are literally so many different options just on Gelato alone. Really high quality, super fast shipping, sure to become bestsellers in your new print-on-demand shop. But when it comes to the travel theme, think of posters or frame prints featuring maybe famous landmarks, travel quotes, or world maps to really inspire wanderlust in travelers. But as always, make sure to check for copyrights and trademarks in your designs. Number 3, personalized water bottles. Eco-friendly stainless steel water bottles with custom designs or the names of famous travel destinations. Perfect for on-the-go hydration. When it comes to niches like the travel niche, especially that it is an evergreen niche, I really like to think of practical use or problem-solving products. A water bottle, for example, is a great practical product because as you're traveling, whether that be hiking through the mountains or maybe traveling through the airport, having some type of water bottle is definitely a practical use product. Can you think of more products that might be of practical use to your niche? Number 4, we have customized travel mugs. Travel mugs featuring travel quotes, destinations, or personalized names are ideal for travelers who might need a little bit of a coffee pick-me-up on the go. Number 5, photo books for memory keepsakes. Create personalized photo books for customers to document their vacations and adventures. Adding a personal touch or customization is really going to help these products sell better, as well as kind of raise the price point on these products as well. Gelato offers hard and soft cover photo books up to 100 pages inside, so there is so much potential for design, customization, really bringing that up to a higher ticket priced item. Number 6, hoodies with travel-related quotes. Cozy hoodies with adventure or travel-themed graphics and inspirational phrases like wanderlust or adventure awaits, or something really focused in on a specific sub-niche within travel, maybe related to a specific location or some type of location-based lingo that the traveler might hear when they go to visit the specific place. Think souvenir items, but with a little bit more pizzazz. Sometimes if you've gone and traveled, you go to souvenir shops and the designs on the items are a little lackluster. So think of something that would really draw your buyer's attention based off of that specific location that they can have adorned on a hoodie, sweatshirt, or other form of apparel. Which leads me to number 7, custom travel-themed t-shirts. Travel enthusiasts can wear their love of exploration with custom t-shirts featuring popular destination or travel symbols like airplanes, globes, or again, location-specific elements. Number 8, canvas prints of famous landmarks. I would highly suggest first searching public domain images or having these custom drawn by an illustrator or a freelance designer. This way, you know you're not using anyone's work and it's legal for you to use these landmarks. But again, make sure you're doing your copyright and trademark research, please. High quality canvas prints showcasing iconic landmarks, example the Eiffel Tower or the Grand Canyon, are perfect for decorating travel themed spaces. But just remember to check for copyrights, trademarks to keep your designs legal. Number 9, personalized travel tote bags. Customizable tote bags with names or fun travel related designs, or even some type of maybe like a packing list to make sure that your travelers are carrying their things, everything that they need. And again, this would kind of fall under a practical use product because it's something that a traveler can use when they are traveling. And lastly, number 10, travel-themed postcards or greeting cards. Gelato offers a variety of different stationery items. So with the holidays coming up, using your favorite picture from your recent vacation would be the perfect thing to add to your holiday greeting cards. Personalized greeting cards for occasions like Bon Voyage or Happy Holidays with travel-related imagery to send well wishes to your family or maybe out-of-state friends. All of these products you can find on gelato.com. If you're looking to set up an account with Gelato or maybe some tips to help you get started, I have a tips video linked down below as well as a special discount for when you sign up for a new Gelato account. You'll receive 50% off your first sample order. So there you have it, a little bit of inspiration and product ideas to help you get started in the travel niche. But if you're looking for more niche or product or evergreen ideas, I have some of my ebooks linked down below that will walk you through trending product and niche ideas, as well as some more evergreen niche ideas for you to get started with print on demand. I can't wait to see what you create. See you later, Rebel.